Homework is a say reading of 9th class English. Let us go through the lesson. Before going to the lesson, we discuss the hard words, the meanings of the hard words, which we come across in the lesson. Okay. The first word is reinforce. Make an idea stronger. Reinforce means make it stronger. The idea will become stronger. Then counterproductive, having the opposite effect to the intended. The intention is something, but the effect is in opposite way. Then we use the word counterproductive. Then excessive means greater than what seems reasonable. Actually, excessive means more beyond the limit. Okay, so more. Then we use the word excessive. Then date. Actually, dates is a noun, but here in the verb form, the meaning is exists. Dates means exists. Then obesity means very fat. Very obese people we use. So fatty people are called as obese and obesity. Then toil. Toil means hard, unpleasant work. Okay. Toil means hard, unpleasant work, difficult work. Okay. And not interested, first of all. Then overwhelming. Overwhelming is an adjective and the meaning is very great. Okay. Then hinder. Hinder means to make it difficult for someone to do something. Okay. Hinder means to make it difficult for somebody to do something. While doing something, somebody will feel some difficult. Then we call the word hinder. Okay. Now let us go through the lesson. I read the lesson. All of you look into the books. Homework. Homework has historically been given to students to reinforce what they learn at school and ultimately to help them learn the material better. However, too much homework is not helpful and can be counterproductive. Excessive amounts of time spent on completing homework can take away the kids' social life, family time, and it limits the participation in sports or other activities. The amount of homework a teacher has to give a student should be restricted. So actually here, the question here, the narrator here will ask us whether homework should be given or not. Okay, so here he poses some questions and some answers and also the difficulties and also the pros and cons. Pros and cons of the homework he will depict here in the homework lesson. Okay, so here he is telling that historically been given. See, from the previous days we are having this homework tradition and a part of our education. Okay, so why they used to give just to reinforce means make an idea stronger. Okay, to reinforce means to make it stronger. What they are learning at school will be revised at home. Actually, that was the intention of the giving homework, but unfortunately it has been diverted in modern days. Okay, and here what is the problem when we are having the homework? What are the problems the child is facing? That let us see now. Okay, and ultimately to help them learn the material better. So if they revise at home whatever they were taught in the school, that will be useful for the easy learning. Actually, that was the intention. But here what happened? However, too much homework is not helpful. Actually, they are giving too much homework. Actually, the intention is to give limit homework to learn something in a good way. But here what is happening? The teachers with over excitement and all, they are giving much homework more than their limit. Then that creates the counterproductive. That is having the opposite effect to the intended. Actually, the intention is to make the child to strong in that particular subject, but unfortunately it is being converted in the different way, that is resulting in the opposite way. That is, they are not having the proper information, the proper knowledge. Instead, they are getting bored with the subject. So like that it is misused. Then excessive amounts of time spent to complete homework can take away the kids' social life, family time, and it limits the participation. Yeah, they cannot participate with the family members, and because always they are busy with completion of the homework. At the same time, they are missing their play time and all. So like this, many disadvantages are there by giving much homework. The amount of homework a teacher to give a student should be restricted. So that's why actually the learners and the scholars, they are telling that the homework can be given, but it should be in a restricted way. Means that should be in a limit way. Okay. Then critically acclaimed author Tamim Ansari reports that since 1981, the amount of homework given to an average 6th class student has increased by more than 50%. Many people claim that the increase in homework dates as far back as 1957. The new competition that emerged served as an incentive for schools to try to increase the volume of the curriculum. The amount of homework increases with the increase in class. Actually, after 1957, what happened? The stuff of the curriculum has been increased. So the volumes of the books they have to learn, the volumes of the books they have to carry. So all this make a big mess to the child, and automatically the subjects, when the subjects are more, automatically the given homework also will become more. So like that, the child is facing much trouble by finishing the homeworks. Then next, coming to that next point, that is, many teachers defend large amounts of homework, claiming that helps to prepare students for a world that is becoming increasingly competitive. However, Dr. Krelovic, author of The End of Homework, argues that doing homework during high school has little or no effect on successful study skills of the students when they join in college. Yes, that is correct, because many teachers are defending that now we have very competitive world. The teachers are supporting that whatever homework they are giving, that is apt, because they are telling that, they are defending themselves that see, because the present world is very competitive and the child has to face the competition. So even the parents are also supporting the teachers, and here when the child has to face the very big competitive world, then he has to face the difficult tasks which will be given by the teachers in the school. So that is the notion. Okay, so like that, here Dr. Kralovic, actually he is the author of End of the Homework. Here he is arguing that actually there is no benefit, any advantage of giving homework, because the children who will do very promptly the homework at home may not be the successful people in the future. They may not attain the good scores even in the college studies, okay, professional studies. So homework is not the criteria. That is his notion. Okay. Then excessive amounts of homework can be harmful to kids both physically and mentally. A lot of homework usually means a lot of books to carry. 50% of the Massachusetts institution in USA children, per the survey by researchers Simmons College, carry loads heavy than 50% of their body weight. Yes, this is also one survey. One survey has given that more than their weight, 50% of their weight, they are weighing the bags. So the baggage has become very heavy, very big. So because when they have to finish the more homeworks with more curriculum. Okay, if the curriculum is more, automatically homeworks also will be more. When both of them are more, definitely they have to carry the big bags. Okay, so this big baggage harms the child, the physical condition of the child as well as the mental condition of the child, because they are getting the spinal problems and all, and that is not advisable by that is not good. This is a suggestion given by the doctors. Okay, so all these researchers have showed that 50% of children are weighing more than their weight. Okay, actually this is not good regarding the health point of view. Okay, then which is the suggested limit? Actually suggested limit is more than 15% of weight. They are suggesting a limit of weight they are weighing. So this is not good for their health. This is doctor's advice. Then carrying larger amounts of weight daily at a younger age can do a lot of damage because bones are still in development stage. The US Consumer Product Safety Commission has reported that in 1999, more than 800 kids were treated in the emergency wards for backpack related injuries. Many of these injuries can lead to serious problems later in life, including the neck and back pains. So carrying of this big backpack is also causing much damage to the spine as well as the back. So more than 800 kids are daily visiting the doctors to rectify their problems in the back portion and spinal portion. This is merely because of the carrying of much heavy baggage to school. Okay, the large amount of homework is causing kids in both high school and also in junior school to be up until midnight or later. Yes, till midnight or more than that also some children are doing their work. Simply blindly they are doing the work by watching the TV sometimes, or sometimes the elders will do the work like that, just for name's sake they are finishing the work. But actually this is not suggestible for the happy learning. Then when extracurricular activities such as sports and games etc. are added for the picture, kids may even have to wake up early next morning to do their homeworks, leaving them with an insufficient amount of sleep. Yes, some children are participating in sports and physical activities like cricket coaching or any other outdoor games or indoor games. They are going in the morning itself. So when they are going there, they will miss the some time. Actually, they have to allot some time even in the mornings after working for late nights the previous night, and also the very next morning they have to get up early morning and they have to do the work like that. Much homeworks will be there, so that time whatever is allotted is not sufficient for a child who is very much fond of learning some other activities like the music or other extracurricular activities or sports, outdoor games and all. Some children will go for coaching and all, for getting the coaching and all. So it is not possible for them, because late nights they are working. At the same time, in order to replace or in order to finish the rest of the work, the mornings they will allot, and they cannot go outside for their other activities.